Shalom, this is your Ark, Yahismagnified, and I'm back with another informative video. Today's video is titled, Child Support Order is Vacated. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth. Nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, guys, let's get to it. Okay, so now, as you all can see on the screen, this is in fact an order to vacate support. Okay? But before we go over this order to vacate support, I'd like to take the time out again, as I always do, is to give all glory and honor to the Most High Yah, because Yah will be magnified, okay? Without Yah, none of this will be happening, all right? It's just that simple. That's the only way I can explain it, guys. You know, like I stated, even through a pandemic, we are still applying pressure. Also, this is the second testimony within 5 days. Even though, you know, it's things that's going on that's trying to distract and everything else, but even through all of that, this is another testimony. This to further prove, to separate who's real and who's not. I've been doing it since I've been on YouTube consecutive. I haven't took a break, you know, 3 almost 4 years, haven't took a break of just continue to show you all the wondrous works that is being done. Okay, and I just can't stress that enough. So now let's look on the screen, and now we're going to read over this order to vacate support. Now, if you all can see at the top of the header, it states what? In the Circuit Court of Cook County, Illinois, Domestic Relations Division. Shout out to all my people in Illinois, man, fighting that good fight. You know, keep fighting, don't quit, don't give up. You know, remedy is there. But let's continue. It states, Illinois Department of Health Care and Family Services, ex-rel, right? Then it states the petitioner Cleo versus the respondent Kendricks, who's my ARC who came for assistance, okay? Also, I crossed their last names out and the case numbers and everything else out, okay? But there has in fact been a mistake on this document, all right? When the court usually print out orders, they usually use basically the same document header and they just add a different order at the bottom. That's why they got his mom as the petitioner when he was in fact the petitioner, okay? And I'm going to show you that as well once we go online to his court case, so you all can see that he was in fact the petitioner, not his child's mom, okay? So I don't know why they didn't put everything right, but like I stated before, 9 times out of 10, because the header and the courts are the same, because majority of the time it's the child's mom bringing a father to court, always. Most of the time, should I say, not always, but most of the time, because in this case, my aunt, he put himself on child support, not knowing that that wasn't the right thing to do. And he will explain that in his testimony as well. But let's continue. It states, per court order, right? Then it states, this matter coming before the court on permanent support, medical, and retro, due notice having been given, the following parties having appeared, petitioner, respondent, assistant state's attorney, right? Then it states, the court finds an order of parentage was entered on 11/2/20 and a temporary support order was entered on 7/16/20 in this case. Both parties appeared and petitioner requests to vacate support. So I told you guys, it states what? The petitioner requests to vacate support. Why? Because he was the petitioner. My ARC, we filed a motion. They got the order vacated, but instead they put the child's mom as the petitioner when he's the petitioner. They were referring to the documents that he filed to the court to get the order vacated. I'm going to prove that as well. Okay, so now as you can see, it states what? It is ordered. The uniform order for support entered on 7/16/20 is vacated. The issue of child support is withdrawn. This matter is off call, right? Entered May 4th. 2021, this month, this year, guys. Like I stated before, we applying that pressure, man. You know, but you have people again coming on YouTube talking about Yahismagnified as a fraud. Hey, look, man, you got to come harder than that, brother. Okay? Especially when you know that you learned so much from me for free. But I ain't gonna get off topic. Let's continue. As you all can see, this was filed by the assistant state's attorney, right? Or signed by the assistant state's attorney. And the judge's signature on it at the same time, okay? But now let's go to the court website so we can see who is in fact the true petitioner. Let's go there. Okay, so now, as you all can see on the screen, this is in fact a screenshot from the Cook County Clerk of Court.org. Okay, as you all can see, the filing date was October the blank 2019, right? Right. So now let's see parties information. Who is the plaintiff? Kendrick, my aunt. He was the actual petitioner. Okay, his child's mom, Cleo, is the defendant. Okay, just to further prove that. But let's continue. You see, right corner where it says Kendrick, let's top of the line. It say case activity. Activity date 10/10/2019. Participant Kendrick petitioned for allocation of parental responsibility, right? So he petitioned the court for that, not knowing what they would do to him in the long run. But let's continue. You can also see that what? Summons issued and returnable by who? Kendrick on 10/10/2019. Okay? So again, he was in fact the petitioner. But the court somehow, like I told you all before, that they used the same templates for the headers, that they automatically put the child's mom as the plaintiff. It doesn't make any sense. But as proven again, he is in fact the plaintiff and she is the defendant. Okay? So now, without further ado, let's get to the testimony.
Okay, as promised, I got my Hawk on the phone. Are you ready, Hawk?
Yes, I am.
All right, the floor is yours, brother.
What's going on, people? What's going on? How you doing?
Hawk, I'm doing good, brother.
All day. Where should I start?
You can start off like how we met, like you know.
Oh,
How
facts.
you got in contact with me.
Facts. I reached out to Og about a year or two ago, I think, if I'm mistaken. And I've been following him for a minute. His testimonies and everything, you know, caught my attention. Caught my eye from a lot of other people that be on YouTube talking all this other stuff and ain't producing no work at all. They just all talk. So, you know, reached out to him again, got into a little situation, you know what I mean? And, you know, he told me the situation with the gift. I'm like, okay, we get back.
Yeah.
We get back. Get myself in order, you know what I mean? So I had to, you know, talk to myself, you know what I'm saying? You know, get things in order, you know what I mean? And in between that, I was just getting heckled by my child's mother on some, I'm taking you to court, yada, 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 you know. And I'm like, man, like, I'm tired of this.
Got tired of it, man.
Man, I got tired of it, man. I'm like, let me hit him up again. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And hit him up again. Well, I'm leaving out a lot. Sorry about that. I started off by putting myself on it.
All right, so you started off putting yourself on it.
Right.
So how did that turn out for you?
So let me tell you, I started out by putting myself on child support thinking I'm doing something good. Everything was good, and then they reversed everything like I was the bad guy.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like, we need this, we need that. When this lady didn't show up and didn't produce nothing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
She ain't no check stuff, no nothing.
Right.
You know, they always, we got to continue it. You know what I mean? So they made me look out to be a bad guy after, like, you know, a couple of court dates. And I was stuck, you know. Then that's when I reached back out to Yahismagnified, right?
Right. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And after I reached out to him, you know what I'm saying, we talked, wrapped it up. And it was best decision I made. Literally. Literally. You get what I'm saying?
It was quick though, wasn't it?
Our last court date, I produced the paperwork as you told me to do, you know what I'm saying, via mail to her and a court. And after she got hers, she called me talking crazy.
She was upset, huh?
She was upset.
She was upset big time.
Yo, she was like, fuck you, you piece of shit. I'm like, whatever, you know what I mean?
Right.
And, I'm not good at storytelling, my bad, everybody, but
Nah, hey man, this is real, man. You know, like I stated, this is real. You know what I mean? So it's gonna come off real because you're telling your real story. And this is your real testimony. So
yeah, real. I mean, the shit is legit. So she got her paperwork. I'm gonna show up to court. I'm gonna tell them and take this, that, and you ain't nothing but a deadbeat. You know, I'm like, all right, cool. I said, all right. I said, well, you got your paperwork, so you go up and good luck.
Right.
You know what I mean? Just like that. Good luck. You know what I mean? Because I'm here for a fight. You're not even knowing why I'm here, so it's all good. You know what I mean? In my head, I'm like, I got ammunition in my gun ready to shoot off.
Already ready, right?
Already ready.
Yeah. Little do she know it.
She over there whooping it. You know what I mean? Just like how a toxic chicken do, just whooping. You know what I mean? So we show up to court. You know, we like number 32 or 33, if I ain't mistaken.
Right.
And you know, the judge called both our names, and the judge was like, you know, yada yada yada. You know, do you have anything to say about this court case? Automatically, I don't want to go through with it. Just like that.
Hold on. So who said that?
My child's mother.
Your child's mom said that, right?
Yes.
How did she cuss you out and everything?
Yes. Yes. Big time. Yes, then.
So were you surprised when she said that?
I was stuck. I'm like, oh, she must, you know, did a little research or whatever the hell, you know, came to the conclusion. Because, you know, I'm like, you know, I got ammunition, so I'm ready.
Right.
So she said it again without allowing them to say anything. You know what I mean? Oh, I don't want to go through with it. We can do it on our own. I'm fine. I'm okay. You know, and then a judge, you know, re-asked her, re-alliterated himself and was like, he was like, I'm not comfortable with your answer, ma'am. You know, are you terminating your child support order with Mr. Williams, yada yada yada? She's like, yes, I'm terminating my child support order. I don't want to go through no courts, no nothing. We fine. We can do this.
Right.
They didn't ask me nothing.
So he didn't have to speak.
I didn't have to speak. I couldn't even get nothing off my chest. I just seen them reading. I just seen the assistant state's attorney and a judge, you know, reading the paperwork and seeing that I submitted some paperwork.
Right.
You know what I mean? And they wouldn't. I didn't get none. I couldn't even get none off my chest. Straight up.
Real. All right. So let me ask you, how many documents did you file?
What was it? 3 pages, so 1.
So it was 1 document. What was the title of that document? Do you remember?
Voluntary dismissal.
Dismissal, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So I just wanted to make sure, you know, so the people moved the court because it was for your motion, right?
For my motion, yes.
But on the paperwork, they put that it was her motion, right?
They flipped it, right? They flipped it.
Yeah.
Because I was going to address all that at court, but they listen. They was talking like 2 pimps fast.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They was like, they tried to bait her in, was saying, you're gonna get 400 and something a month, and she's like, no, I'm fine, I'm okay, I'm fine. You know what I mean? They was like, you sure? You know what I mean? They was trying to bait her in to accept the bait, and just off the strength of the paper, because I don't talk to her like that. You get what I'm saying?
Right. Yeah.
Off the strength of the papers, you know what I'm saying? It was a wrap.
was a wrap, right?
It was a wrap.
And we only sent one document, one motion. And why did we send that motion in? Do you remember?
Shit. Excuse my language. Damn, I forget.
I remember because we did a voluntary dismissal because it was your moved the court. It was originally your case.
Yeah.
Bad, man. Yeah. So when you hit me up, it was like, oh man, I went down there trying to do the right thing. And man, these people are running me through the ringer. Because the first time you came to me, you was like, for custody. Yeah, and I told you, I said, I don't do the custody thing. Because I said, I wouldn't, if I was you, I wouldn't apply for custody because I know exactly what I was going to put you at if you was to do that. You see? So he was like, man, you can't. I was like, not with custody. Child support, yes. Custody, nah. I can't do the custody thing, brother, because I know, I wouldn't want you to sign yourself up for something that is going to be extremely hard for you to get out of because, like you not know. And then you're like, all right, well, I'll hit you back if you come out to child support. So then you went to child support. I'm pretty sure you was thinking everything was going to be, smooth and breezy.
Yeah.
Like I said, man, once these people start getting in on you, man, once they sink their teeth in, it's like, they turned you from the good guy to the bad guy, and try to make it seem as though you was actually not being a good father when you was being a good father for your seed. You turned around and did the right thing because she was acting, and then they still try to give you a hard time to go. You like, man, I got a arc up. So that's when you hit me up again.
Yep.
I was like, are you ready? You said, I'm ready. I said, all right. I said, I'm gonna give you one document, file this document. If you have to talk, stick to the topic.
Stick to the topic, yep.
That was it, right? That was it, right?
Yep, that was it. That was it. Only time I was gonna get off topic is when they had the name change wrong. Yeah, I mean, come on.
Oh yeah. Yeah, how they like to change the name.
I was sticking on topic hard. You know what I mean? But they didn't even let me talk. They didn't. I couldn't get nothing off my chest. They like I said, they was moving real fast, like two pimps, quick. They was talking fast. So if you go up in there and you don't pay attention, you're gonna get slapped.
Yeah, you gotta pay close attention. And also, what do you think about when individuals say that I'm a scam or I'm a fraud? Can you let these people know the truth? Like all everybody, like everybody else that came on and gave testimonies. You knew it's your turn now. Can you please explain these people out?
Hey, look, I was gonna say that without you even saying anything about it. Truthfully, like I said, I've been following him for a couple of years. You know what I mean? And everybody else that's on here talking that child support stuff and not producing no action, no paperwork, no individuals. Go ahead, flush it. Ak right here, Yahismagnified is the truth. You know what I mean? He got testimonies. If you all don't understand the testimonies, you're slow. Straight up. You know what I mean? You got real live individuals coming on, letting you all know he's a business. You know what I mean? He ain't paying me. Goddamn, we ain't doing none of that. You know what I'm saying? It's just what I experienced with him. You know what I'm saying? Good brother on communication. You know what I'm saying? He gonna let you know what you need to know. And if you get off topic, you're gonna burn yourself.
Exactly. Hey, tell them what happened when you tried to file the paperwork the first time. And then you hit me up.
Yo, they when I filed it the first time. Come on. When I filed it the first time, when I took it down to the court, filed it with the clerk's office, they looked at it. They was like, "Oh, we never seen this before." Oh, okay. Well, good luck. They was reading it and they walked off and was showing it to a couple of people. You know what I mean? Because like the lady said, they never seen nothing like this before. Ain't nobody coming up in there filing no paperwork like that. You know what I mean? And I was like, oh, okay, man, let me get Arco, you know what I'm saying, as I'm walking to my car.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You walk back to your car, and then I text you. He's like, man, yep, they just found it. First, they looking at me like I was strange. They said they ain't seen nothing like this. I was like, they always try to do that. Say, just make sure you get that joint file stamped so it could be on the record.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, so with the document I gave, you, could it be used for anybody else situation?
I would say yes and no, but they gotta hit you up.
They have to hit me up, right?
They gotta hit you up. You know what I'm saying? Don't hit me up asking what paper he filed, all that. You know what I mean? Yahismagnified. You gotta hit him up. Don't, you know what I mean? Like straight up. That's the only thing I'm saying with you all. You know what I'm saying? Hit him up and you all take it from there. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, he's the truth. He the business, and he got paperwork showing that the shit got things got handled with proper procedure. Trust me on that. Yeah. So that's what I'm trying to tell people, man. If someone going to court and they don't get the results, that's because they let off the topic. You know, you got to stay on that topic, man. You stay on that topic, that's it. You know, they're gonna try to, get you to talk, or they try to, influence the child's mom in any type of way. But no matter what they do to her or say to her, when they come to you, you stay on that topic. Don't let off anything that you talking about, because everybody's in there for a different situation. Like for you, like, but 9 times out of 10, the court is bringing the man, or the mom is bringing the man to court. But you was bringing the mom to court. So what type of paperwork would that had to been in a situation like that when they already put a temporary order in against you when she wasn't even there the first time? No, she was there the first time, but after that she wasn't there after that.
Right. Yeah, see?
So they kept on continuing it. And the judge was getting real frustrated with the assistant state's attorney.
Right.
And she wouldn't have showed up at the last court date. I was going to tell him to dismiss it. You know what I mean? Just wrap it up. You know what I mean? But they were talking crazy, before the last court date. We need updated check stubs, this, that, and the third, and yada yada. So, man, look, man, I say brother told me don't send up nothing.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, man, that's information that you can't give, man. That information don't even belong to you to give. So, they want you to believe it belongs to you to give. But if you know what I mean, if you go down there and give them something that you believe you own, or that you have, then it's on you again. It's on you. And you put your foot in your own mouth again. Next thing you know, you have something you can't get out of. You see what I mean?
So whatever y'all was telling me, I was moving just like that. You know what I mean? I wasn't going off script. I was keeping everything in order. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? But everybody that's listening and tuning in, trust me, it's worth it. Straight up. Straight up. You know what I'm saying? He gonna communicate with you. You know what I'm saying? Just be upfront. Don't you know what I'm saying? Don't be trying to maneuver and be mysterious with anything. Because if you're being mysterious with stuff, you're gonna burn yourself in the long run. Then he can't help you.
Exactly. That's why I asked you the questions I asked you before I ever helped you, right? I made sure that I can get you in a situation before anything will happen. I just wanted to make sure that. That's why when I was asking you to talk about custody, first thing I told you was, I couldn't help you. Even though you were ready to pay at that time, I said I couldn't do it because I already know what custody was going to do. Now if I was a scam, I would have said, well, give me the money, even though I knew that I couldn't help. You see what I mean? So I like I said, and you can vouch for that for yourself, right?
Oh yeah, because automatically, first message, you know what I'm saying? He wasn't taking nothing. I can't help you, literally.
Yeah, just like that, right?
Just like that. It wasn't no, good morning, all that. It's straight to the cut. Can't help.
I can't help you. Yep. But then you asked me why, and I said because of what?
I can't remember. I still got the message, but I can't remember word for word. But, you know what I'm saying? But I know you just like, I can't help you.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said. I said I can't help you because I already knew, because I know how custody is. You see, but when you said, well, this time I'm coming back for child support, and they were trying to break you over. I'm like, all right, now let's go. And I was asking her everything. I asked you, I said, did she file anything into the court? You said
no.
And then I said, say no more. I got you. I'm gonna send you a document. File this document. You'll be okay.
Yep. No.
Document.
Get it notarized. File it with the clerk. And boom.
Next thing you know, you got an attitude on the phone. You know what I mean?
Next thing you know, I got a whole fuck you. I was like, you know,
he was like, what I do to you? You know what I mean? I ain't do nothing to you. I'm just fighting for myself. You know what I mean?
Straight up, man. You better get a lawyer. I mean, I ain't worried about it. Whatever lawyer you got, I ain't worried about it.
Yeah, man. And I know when a state attorney saying the documents, he's probably like, damn, like, you know what I mean? She probably like, who wrote that?
Hey, look, they was moving through the papers so fast, though. Yeah. And I seen them pause and read it, because at the beginning of the court, they was like, somebody filed for a motion of dismissal at the beginning of the court. Right. You know what I mean? Me. I'm the only one there. So when it's time for our court, I mean not court, but you know, when they called us up, you know what I mean, they wouldn't let me talk. Normally they address me first. They address her first.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? They addressed her first. When they addressed her first, that's when she's like, I don't want to do it. Without any prejudice or anything against me, it's just I sent her that document.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
She received it and freaked out on you.
Yeah, in that order. You know what I mean? I ain't here to argue with you, you know, if you want to argue, you know, argue in court. But yeah, I sent the document, and after that, she let them know 3 times.
Right.
It was a wrap.
It was a wrap. Next thing you know, you hit me up and said, it's over with.
It's over with, quick.
Hey, man, you was cracking up laughing, too, man. You said, man, I ain't get to say a word.
I ain't even say a word. I'm on the Zoom meeting like this, like, yeah. Shit, all right. I have my little notepad on the side. Yeah. I'm like, man, they talking fast. They talking about 400 and this, that. I said, this chick ain't get them no documents or nothing. They talking too quick. So I was about to address everything, but you know, like I said, stay on topic. Don't get off topic. Only thing I was gonna get off the topic was the name.
Right. Why was that?
Because they switched the name. But what was it?
They actually put her as the plaintiff when you was the plaintiff, and they put you as the defendant.
Right.
Yeah. They tried to reverse it around, so it made it seem as though it was her motion when it was actually your motion that did. Right. Yeah.
And then I told me to call down there and let them know they need to change that. But I want to go down there in person and let them know they need to change that, and also get it on paperwork.
But yeah, they need to switch it over, and on that order, they need to switch everything. They need to amend the order. So we get down there, you want to tell them they need to amend the order and put everything in its proper perspective, because how they placed the plaintiff and the defendant wrong, and then they made it so when they said the plaintiff dismissed the court, that was actually you and not her.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. And they said the order was vacated after that. And
man,
that was it.
That was it.
That was it.
That was it. Yahismagnified got the paperwork. You got the truth. Trust me, goddamn it. If you find a living testimony about it, he got many more before me. That he's legit. You know what I mean? Because everybody else that I've been following, they won't produce.
Hold on, I keep breaking up a little bit. Now you good now. You should be good now.
Okay. Everybody else that's on here talking that talk, they're not producing that evidence. But you are. So you know what I mean? That's what made me grasp your way real, you know what I'm saying, more. You know what I mean? Testimony, paperwork, everybody else just all talk. But becomes, you know what I'm saying, oh, give me this, give me that. Hold on, damn. The fuck?
Yeah, you probably like, I need to see something first, man. You know,
Man, something, yeah. You all just all talk over here. You know what I mean? Yahismagnified. You know what I mean? He got the truth. He got the paperwork. He got the documents. He got the testimonies. You know what I mean? He the truth, legit, straight up. And you hear my little dude in the background. You hear him in the background talking. So you know it's business. You know what I mean?
Exactly. You got the baby back there.
You know what I'm saying?
Right. She's like, come and get him now. I'm dropping the ball to you right now. I can't take this. All right, so you got anything else you want to say before you go? I ain't gonna hold you. I know you got the little man back there.
Man, look, thank you.
You're welcome, And the funny part about it is, did I pay you or did you pay me?
Shit, you ain't pay me.
So it gotta be the other way around, right?
You know what I'm talking about?
So that means so I didn't pay you for this testimony, right?
For what? Hell no. Yeah. Wait, that's a waste of my time, you know what I mean?
Yeah. You kept saying you're gonna come on here and do it one too. You said, man, I'm next, man. I said, all right, let's get it.
Let's get it.
Yeah, man. Everything happened so fast though for you too, man. It was quick, man, because
it was quick.
It was like right after you filed the motion, they scheduled the court.
You're breaking up. You're breaking up. What you say?
Oh, I was saying it was so quick. Like you went in for your court date, man. First you filed the motion, and then they scheduled a court date. Right after that, it was over with.
Yeah, literally, just like that.
Yeah,
straight up, just like that.
Yeah, that's why I tell people, man. You know, each situation is different, but you know, everybody can get the remedy, man. They just got to be willing to fight and fight that good fight. You know what I mean?
Yeah, be ready to fight. If you ain't ready to fight, don't even come on over. Just go ahead and let the system hit you off in the guts. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. But man, I truly appreciate this. You know, this is my second testimony this month. You know, back to back. You know, so it's nobody else doing this, man. I don't care who they name. Nobody else is showing this evidence like this. You know what I mean?
Right. At all.
But then, like I say, man, like you got people saying that we have the same teacher. Now, if we have the same teacher and they believe, then where are their results?
Whatever. Right.
Where the people coming up saying that their stuff work? And then if we have the same teacher, then why are you giving me testimony for what I done? Why didn't you give it to your teacher? You see? Or why are you coming to me instead of your teacher if we got the same teacher?
Yeah.
Obviously, I must be better than your teacher.
Gotta be. And to top it off, they got a Facebook page group that's not even about you. That's not yours.
Exactly, man.
So don't fall for the funk people. Don't fall for the bullshit. Straight up.
Exactly, man. They try to run high. They try to, you know, that individual, I helped them for free, man. You know, real talk. I helped us for free. Hit me up in my email. I helped them for free. You see, I didn't charge him a dime. You know, for GP. But this the things you get. You see what I mean? That's why I said, man, I can't do it for free no more because things like that happen. You know, whenever you try to help somebody out.
Right. No. Look, people, see the business. Trust me. If you don't believe me, find out for yourself.
Exactly. Like I said, man, it's a 2 in 1 month.
That's dope, though. 2 in 1 month. That's dope.
But to make it so bad, man, I got more coming. Probably this month. You see?
Yeah.
So we just hanging tight, man. You know, hang tight, man. I got more coming. You know, it's about it. Hey, things are starting to open back up, man, and it's time to. It's time to keep applying that pressure like we always do.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Look, people.
Again, I can't thank you enough for doing this for me again.
Oh, love. Let me say one more other thing. One YouTube channel, one Facebook page. Anything outside of that is fake.
Yep. Only got one Facebook page.
That one Facebook page. If you see a number, anything in the name, it's not him. He got one YouTube name. That's it.
One YouTube, one Facebook. No
That's
Instagram.
No Instagram. No Instagram.
Right. If I have an Instagram, I'll come on and tell you guys what my Instagram is if I had a Yahismagnified Instagram account, which I don't.
Yeah. He don't got none of one Facebook, one YouTube, that's it. He don't he do all this stuff. You know what I mean? And take it from a live individual.
According to them, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's just crazy, Art, for real, man. You know, and I'm so excited for you, Art. You know, I'm excited for you, brother. Like I stated, when you first hit me, man, I was honest from the beginning. You know, I made sure I was honest from the beginning. You know, just imagine if I wasn't honest, you wouldn't be here today.
No,
you see, you be like, nah, I ain't doing nothing for you. Nah, you lied to me the whole time. You see?
Right. No, he's smooth, direct, and blunt. If you can't handle him being blunt, also don't hit him up. Straight up.
Exactly. Yeah. I was like, you gotta get. I said, you gotta file them paperwork. Don't let them try to tell you anything different. File that paperwork because you need that to be in the record so the court can see what you filed. Because you don't file the documents. If you try to take it in on the day of, the judge ain't gonna want to hear nothing that you try and file.
Nothing at all. Straight up. But everything all good. I got a dip because he gave me a diaper.
Oh, hey, time to change.
You heard the toilet, right?
Exactly. Yeah, he ready.
I don't want to put the phone down.
Yeah, exactly. All right, Doc. So I know you got to change, little man. Again, I appreciate that. All right.
Yeah. So we definitely. I'm gonna keep in touch with you, though.
Yeah, keep in touch with me. I'm
gonna keep in touch with you.
All right, you already know. Hey, you got the number, man. You know, you already know, man.
Okay,
you already know. You know what I mean?
Love. Thank you.
Anytime, Mark, anytime. So that's what we're going to do for today. If you all need my help, hit me up in my email at yahismagnified@gmail.com. That's his right wisdom, his right knowledge, and his right understanding. So with that being said, I say shalom, Mark.